Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to my 16th devlog. I have a lot of bug fixes to report, but I will split the whole episode into some different parts, divided by, of course, cooking videos, because I don't have aquariums full of shrimps or a garden. Shout out to the two devs who now know I actively follow their devlogs. This week was slow, I would say, because I had a bunch of other stuff to do, which I will reveal in the near future. I promise. So yeah, a lot of stuff happened, but it doesn't look like much. Let's get right into it. So first of all, there was a lot of optimizations. I want to thank Z here specifically from my Discord, who keeps me updated on his findings on optimization after all. Also, the top menu in the top right is now fully colored because I had it in debug for with a slight opacity, but I never fixed this, so it was like this all the time. The menus also now load faster, which is not very noticeable, but it is a thing because they don't do everything twice now, which is pretty good. Also, if you look at the little widget that comes if you pick stuff up, it is now also a little bit more fancy with the little card paper thingy. Another fix that I noticed in the last devlog was buildings were floating, they are not anymore, which is great. While I was fixing this, I realized that if you break down buildings, they sometimes respawn in the parts with an offset, which is now fixed, which took way longer than I wanted to. Those are the major things, I would say, but now you can build and destroy things, and that's always fun. The upgrade window still stands, and this has now a slight shadow. So what else is new is that I had a enlightenment while I was fixing bugs. I spent way too much time on this, like fixing bugs in general, which means from the next week on I will start a content offensive and I will just add content. Because there's still content I had to cut from the initial version that was for my exams, and I really want to add some new stuff. This stuff gets stale really fast, especially if you take like hours and hours to fix a minor annoyance for the player. So I decided on the most grown-up approach for this problem. We will ignore all bugs until test players report them. That is a technique I took over from which name Ubisoft I can't say for legal reasons. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do from now on. We're gonna add at least the education system, probably the level up system, and I try to do this all next week because all of the roadblocks in my way are now completely gone and I can really focus now on this game again. Which is great because then I can get it finished and at least the 1.0 version. There's still some UI bugs and AI bugs, but the chances that you find them are 50-50. That's quite good. So yeah, that's at least the plan. What else can I show you? Alright, kicking stuff. Yeah, let's finish the workshop. Then I can show you how I optimized the kicking. Come on, Bob. Don't kick stuff. Yeah, talk to him. God damn it, Bob. So yeah, I will at least add the education system, which is one of the major things I want to do because it's a gameplay feature that will change the whole balance of the game. This widget is still buggy, but I think I will just redo it completely, and we see if it works then. If not, I have a major problem. But kicking stuff is now optimized. It's still as powerful as it was for testing reasons. And I think it's frame bound, so when I do it in a debug mode and everything runs faster, it is not so far. If you kick now resources into buildings, they are in the buildings, which will make the player move faster, more efficient, because there's no weight limit when you kick stuff. So if you pick up 5 wool and carry it, it's much slower than when you have 50 wool and you just kick it somewhere. Which means you could technically move. No, you can't move 2 things because you can't kick when you carry stuff. Well, yeah, it's something you have to make out with yourselves. So yeah, kicking now off resources will result in them being in the building, which I think is a great feature. Still need to check if it works with the work links. But for that I need the system that they get into buildings. As we run out of chicken videos, I would say I hope you enjoyed my video, because that's about it for today. So, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're looking forward for the next devlog. I will be more active, promised, because I had to do a lot of Blender work on the commission, so that took a little bit of time. But money's gotta flow, so like, share, subscribe, drink some water, program a game, and I catch you all next time. Bye bye.